Here is your script translated into a smooth, single narrator English storytelling style while preserving the flow, meaning, and timing. Shocking news spread through a small town. There was a man who was somehow shared among 3 different households. The truth behind it wasn't glamorous at all. It was heartbreaking. This man wasn't a celebrity, but in his own way, he was the most important person around. While others struggled with daily life, he had already taken on responsibilities far beyond what most could handle. While people worried about dowries, he was busy supporting not just 1, but 3 different families. His name was Liangzi because Liangzi had tied himself to 3 households. Even Zhao Laosan didn't know where to find him anymore. With no other choice, Zhao Laosan started searching house by house. At the first home, the man of the house suffered from lung disease. His limbs worked fine, but he was always short of breath, weak and unable to do farm work. The family had 3 children, all relying on Liangzi to survive. Is Liangzi here? Zhao Laosan asked. No, he's not at our house today, the woman replied. Helpless, Zhao Laosan moved on to the next house. Is Liangzi here? Maybe try Zhang Laoqi's house. So Zhao Laosan went there and called out, Liangzi. A voice answered, Third brother, you're here. It's cold outside. Come in. Zhao Laosan realized that today, Liangzi was staying with Zhang Laoqi's family. Zhang Laoqi also had lung disease and 2 young children, only 4 and 5 years old. While other kids their age played, these children were already hauling water and chopping wood just to survive. After some conversation, Zhao Laosan revealed his plan. He had recently stopped working as a forest guard and wanted to make a living by hunting in the mountains. He wanted Liangzi to go with him, but in this place, taking Liangzi along wasn't a simple decision. It required Zhang Laoqi's approval. If Liangzi goes with you, will he get a share? Zhang Laoqi asked. Zhao Laosan nodded. Of course! I won't let him work for nothing. 1 week in the mountains could earn enough food for your family for a whole month. Hearing this, Zhang Laoqi immediately agreed. Liangzi hesitated. Hunting in the mountains frightened him. His father had died that way. But with no better option, he agreed. They prepared their weapons. Liangzi showed Zhao Laosan 2 guns his father had left behind, both well-maintained. Zhao Laosan's eyes lit up. These were far better than his own air rifle. The next day, they headed into the mountains. There were strict rules hunters followed. No hunting after the spring festival. No killing pregnant animals, and always respecting nature's balance. For their first trip, Zhao Laosan chose a place called Longwang Valley. From his past experience, he knew it was full of wild boars. Soon enough, they spotted fresh tracks. Following them carefully, they found a wild boar. Zhao Laosan remained calm and fired. The boar was hit but didn't fall. It thrashed wildly and charged at them. Zhao Laosan didn't panic. He aimed again and fired a precise shot, finally bringing it down. Even then, he fired 1 more shot to be sure. A good hunter never took chances. Liangzi stood there in shock, amazed. I didn't expect you to be this skilled. You're as good as my father used to be. Enough talking, Zhao Laosan said. Drain the blood before it's too late. They quickly processed the boar, removing the organs and leaving them behind to distract other predators. Liangzi suggested continuing the hunt, but Zhao Laosan shook his head. Carrying 1 boar is already risky. We should head back. On the way back, they caught 2 rabbits as well. Zhao Laosan gave Liangzi a pig leg and told him to deliver the rest home, then informed Lu Xiaoman that he was heading to the county to sell the meat. By the time Zhao Laosan reached the county, dawn was just breaking. Hungry after a long night, he entered a small breakfast shop. There, he ran into a man he had met the day before, Cheng Ge, who had bought something from him. They sat and ate together. Cheng quickly figured out Zhao Laosan was a hunter and was impressed by the size of the boar. Zhao, Lausanne explained his situation. His wife was pregnant, money was tight, and he couldn't afford a proper hunting rifle. Chang'e laughed. What a coincidence. I'm actually the deputy director of a state-owned factory that produces firearms. If your permit allows it, I can get you a good gun, and it won't cost much. Just give me half that boar. Zhao Laosan was surprised. Buying a gun from such a place was usually impossible, but with Chang'e's help, it became a real opportunity. After thinking carefully, Zhao Laosan made a specific request. I don't want anything else. I just want a Type 56 submachine gun. He chose it for a reason. Even the worst submachine gun in his mind was better than a regular hunting rifle. Chang'e agreed. They went together to arrange everything. Meanwhile, back home, Liangzi distributed the meat. But just as things seemed to settle, trouble arrived. A team leader stormed in, furious. You dare leave your work to help Zhao Laosan privately? Today I'm taking both of you in. The tension rose instantly, and that was just the beginning of even bigger trouble ahead.